Is hair cloning the future for thinning hair? Imagine a world where restoring hair growth could be as simple as replicating your own hair follicles in a laboratory. The idea of hair cloning has generated significant interest among those experiencing hair thinning or baldness. But what exactly is hair cloning, and how close are we to making it a practical solution? Hair cloning involves taking hair follicle cells from a person's scalp, usually stem cells or dermal papilla cells, and multiplying them in a laboratory setting. Once these cells are expanded sufficiently, they are reintroduced into the scalp to stimulate new hair growth. The process aims to overcome the limitations of current hair restoration techniques, which often relying on hair transplants or medications that do not address the root cause of hair loss. Research into hair cloning has been ongoing for several decades. Scientists have successfully demonstrated the ability to grow hair follicles in laboratory conditions and even generate hair in animal models. For example, experiments with mice have shown that transplanted cloned hair follicles can produce hair that grows naturally. However, translating these findings into safe, effective treatments for humans presents numerous challenges. One major obstacle is ensuring that cloned hair follicles integrate properly into the scalp tissue and produce hair that matches the surrounding hair in texture, color, and growth cycle. Additionally, controlling the growth of cloned follicles to prevent abnormal or excessive hair growth is a concern. There are also technical hurdles related to scaling up the process to treat larger areas of hair loss efficiently. Despite these challenges, progress continues. Several research groups and biotechnology companies are working on refining techniques for hair follicle regeneration. Advances in stem cell technology, tissue engineering, and gene editing are contributing to the development of potential therapies. Clinical trials are still in the early stages, and regulatory approval will be necessary before widespread use becomes available. In summary, hair cloning holds promise as a future solution for thinning hair, but it remains in the experimental phase. While the science is advancing rapidly, it may take several more years before this technology becomes accessible to the general public. For now, existing treatments such as medications and hair transplants continue to be the primary options for those seeking to address hair loss.